pretty groovy. I can't lie, Alex, man. You put us in there, bro. It's pretty groovy, man.
It's groovy, and his voice is amazing.
Definitely.
Like how he can stretch it and make it sound like that.
Yes.
Thank you, Alex. This is a good one.
Welcome back to the channel. It's K.
It's Livy.
And you already know the grind don't stop till we reach the top.
To the top.
To the what?
To the top.
Come on now.
To the tippity top.
Know what I'm saying? So, guys, we got a flock of seagulls. I ran.
So far away.
Yo, so far away, man. The official video, and this was requested by Alex Barrera. He sent in a payment of $25 to get this posted reaction. So, guys, if you looking to get a posted reaction, all you have to do is hit our PayPal, and it costs $25 to get an instant reaction to any video on YouTube, long as it's a signed band. It can't be any personal music.
Like band.
Yeah, so band, musicians, an artist,
Beatles,
anything. Yeah, so let's get into this thing, man. Let's see what Alex bringing to the table. Make sure you guys also check out that P.O. box. It's right up there above. You can send us any letters. She is building this lovely wall. You know what I'm saying?
I'm excited.
Putting all these letters together, and she's going to show you guys when she's finished. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you send that in.
And also, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and slap that bell. Now let's get into it.
Let's get it.
Let's see what Alex got for us.
Okay, I like to start, Alex. Bro, I heard this from somewhere.
I think we've reacted to the flock of seagulls. They just look familiar.
No, I don't remember reacting to them though.
You don't?
Nah, because because we would have had a video up. I don't remember this name.
I remember this name from somewhere.
You remember this name from somewhere?
Yeah, like I feel like I've heard them before. He looks so familiar. This band just looks familiar.
That's what I'm saying. Like I feel like I heard this from somewhere too. And he do look familiar. I'm not gonna cap. He do look familiar.
Maybe like we tried to video it, but it wouldn't go up or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like we've listened to the flock of seagulls before. Yeah. Like I couldn't forget a name like that though. I don't know.
We probably have, man. I don't know.
This piano is so cute.
The part I'm talking about, I remember that whole, you know what I'm saying? I love that. I remember that part. Everything else, I'm not too sure about. Pretty groovy. I can't lie, Alex, man. You put us in there, bro. It's pretty groovy, man.
It's groovy, and his voice is amazing.
Definitely.
Like how he can stretch it and make it sound like that.
Yes.
Thank you, Alex. This is a good one.
a good request, Alex, man. This is definitely a good request, bro.
It's something
Cannot
that's
lie.
groovy. It's like something we don't react to, but like in the category of what we react to. So
yeah, so it's a like. I don't know. I know for a fact we didn't do a YouTube video on this, but we probably didn't heard this running around YouTube somewhere.
yeah,
Yeah, so
it's
I don't
just
know.
like disco music, like
Yeah. Hey, yeah, you know what I mean? Hey. Hey, that was good, man. Pretty groovy, though. Pretty groovy. Can't lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The flock of Seagulls, man, definitely on my list for next reactions, man. You put us on, Alex. You put us on, man.
Because they was definitely different, but same in the same category of like our main things that we react to.
Yeah,
So, with that being said, Alex, you did your thing. You requested something we love to hear. And guys, if whoever else is a Flock of Seagulls fan, make sure you comment down below some more that you would like us to react to. Let us know. And with that being said, guys, we appreciate everybody who stayed to the end.
Yes, and if you're interested in any instant reaction videos, guys, you know what I'm saying, you can go on our main page, and we do have a hyperlink for you can pay the $25 and you can skip the whole line of 50,000 people and be on the top list to be reacted to.
But again, it has to be what is it?
Like a actual signed band, a signed artist, a musician, any artist that is completely signed. Cannot be any personal music.
Just examples: the Beatles, the Flock of Seagulls, AC/DC,
anything that's signed. It can even Michael Jackson. You can go to like anything.
Anybody.
Singers, musicians, guys. So
let us know.
Peace.